Hi everybody, this is Mallesh. I am going to explain question tags. So, first thing, why should we learn question tags? The question should rise in your mind. So, when you are learning question tags, it must be used in our daily conversation, and then only you can remember forever. So, if you learn just for your exams like SSC exams, intermediate exam, and TET or DSP aspirants also, they learn these question tags, which are helpful not only TET and DSC but also other competitive exams. See, generally when the people are talking, they use uh, na. For example, I give a na, I take a na. So like that they say. But according to grammar, that is completely wrong. You have to uh, use the grammatical structure in question tags because so for example when people are talking uh, question tags just they use only for writing purpose to get the answers, but that is completely wrong. Everyone must utilize. Okay, let us go with some examples. When the given sentence is positive and the question tag must be negative. If the given sentence is negative, the question tag will be positive. So, first of all, we should know what are the negative sentences and positive sentence. So, let us identify with some negative words in the negative words. These are negative words. Example: no, not, none. Next to nobody, nothing, no one. Next to never. Some other words: scarcely, scarcely, hardly, rarely. So all these words represents as negative sentence. If these words are there in a sentence, that sentence is considered as negative sentence. And so if you find these words in a given sentence, we have to add the positive question tag. If these words are not existed, then we have to add the negative question tag. So let us find how to identify after finding this negative sentence. You have to identify the helping verb. So identifying helping verb is very important. So I will write all the helping verbs on the board. So let us go with them also. So identifying helping verb is also very important. Helping verbs. So what are they? Helping verbs. So helping verbs. Identifying helping verb is also very important. So okay. So now, as I said, you have to um, identify the helping verbs. So these 23 helping verbs are there. So if the helping verb is existed in the given sentence and the negative word, then you have to use the same helping verb in the question tag. You have to use the same helping verb in the question tag. So these are very important helping verbs. That's why I wrote in an alphabetical order, A to W. All these helping verbs are very very useful. You have to learn them. So you have to take a screenshot so that you can write on the paper and then you can by heart them. So because these are very very important while writing question tags. Not only question tags but also in any other grammar topics. So understanding helping verbs are very very important for all grammar topics. Okay now? Okay. Let us go with some examples. So what am I writing here? For example, they are playing. They are playing. So how to add the question tag? Here we have to add the question tag. At the end of question tag must be end with a question mark, and you should before the question tag you have to write the question comma. So first thing, this is the question given in any exam. So first you have to understand whether the statement or sentence is positive or identify whether it is positive or negative. So your negative words are not there. So it is a positive sentence. And second thing is identifying the helping verbs. So just now I wrote on the board. See, or is the helping verb. So what you have to do, we have to take the same helping verb. We have to copy the same helping verb or. And so this for first sentence we have to add negative question tag. So to make it negative, we have to add not. For all question tags, we have to add not in the short form. Okay, na? We have to add the. We have to make the short form of with the helping verb. Okay, and what subject is given, you have to change. You have to their subject pronoun is given. Subject pronoun, you take the same subject pronoun here. See, they, and they is the subject pronoun, and I ending with the same subject pronoun and with also question tag. So this is what adding the question tag to the given sentence. So for example, if I write if I make this negative sentence, for example, the same sentence I am taking, they are not playing. So add the question tag. So what will be the question tag? For example, see, the given sentence is negative. That's why, so we have to add a positive question tag or they. Okay. So this is the difference between a positive question tag and a negative question tag. So when the sentence is positive, we have to add a negative question tag, and if the sentence is negative, we have to add a positive question tag. So what is how to understand when we have to use? As I said, they are playing now. Don't use they are playing now. They are playing or they are not playing. Don't they are playing they are not playing now. Don't use that words. You have to use according to the structure. They are not playing or they. So this is the correct way of using question tags in our daily conversation. Okay. So sometimes a helping verb is not given. For example, in simple present tense. In simple present tense, they don't give question helping verb. For example, he goes to school. So he goes to school. It is a sentence. So by seeing the sentence, children are unable to understand whether it is positive or negative. Okay, and the helping verb is also not given. So what is here simple present tense? Do, does plus V1 means go. Here goes V1 is go. So this is goes is the mixture of does plus go. Goes is the mixture of does plus go. So we have found the helping verb. So you have to use this helping verb here. Does. So if it is third person singular, we have to use does, and it is a positive sentence, we have to use negative question tag. Doesn't he? Doesn't he is a question tag. Got it? So this is what question tags. How here without knowing the helping verb, I have added the question tag. How it is possible? The thing is, in simple present tense, we don't use helping verbs. Got it? That's why we have to remember this structure. Okay? So, what is the structure? V5 is equal to does plus V1. This is the structure of, this is the formula you have to. So we'll go with another example. Uh, we never go to temple. We never go to temple is the given sentence. What will be the question tag? See here the negative word. The negative word is never, so the sentence will become negative sentence. Okay, so that's why we have to add a positive question tag to the given sentence. See what is so which helping verb we should take. This is also an important thing. We have to which helping verb is not given. So and which tense it is. We have to go to which tense. See in simple present tense and simple past tense, it didn't give the helping verb. So here what am I doing is, see this is a simple present tense. So for simple present tense, never go to temple is a simple present tense. In simple present tense we have to choose do. If it is plural we have to use do, and if it is singular, third person singular, if the subject is third person singular, we have to use does. If it is plural we have to use do. So do, do we. So do we is the question tag. The same subject pronoun we have to use. We'll go with another example. Children like games. This is the question tag. This is the sentence, given sentence. So what will be the question tag? So children is a plural. Children is plural. So what will be the subject pronoun for children? They is the subject pronoun. Sorry, here we should not write. They is the subject pronoun. And what is the helping verb here? So first thing is given sentence is positive because there is no any negative word. And so the question tag will be positive. First thing is we have to add comma here. After that we have to choose the helping verb. In simple present tense In simple present tense, listen, simple present tense, present tense. So we have to take I, we, you, he, she, it, they. So here these two are first person and these two are second person and these are third person. So in the third person these three are singulars and this is plural. So and this one is singular and this one is plural. So first person, okay, first person and second person, third person. So these persons are very important. These persons are very important. And then you can understand. In simple present tense, we have to use do. For this one also we have to use do. And for only third person singulars we have to use does. And for this one also we have to use do helping verbs. Okay, so children like games. Children like games, so it comes under third person plural they. So children comes, so what is the subject pronoun to children? That is nothing but they. So and which helping verb we have to use? Do. So this structure you have to keep in your mind and take a screenshot or somewhere. You have to practice. So here what am I doing? Do helping verb. And the sentence is positive. We have to make it as a negative. N apostrophe T. It means not. Short form of not. Don't. So it will become don't. What is the subject pronoun of children? Third person plural they. So I am writing it as they and question mark. So this is very important points when you are identifying sentence without helping verb. So when do you get when only in simple present tense and other one is a simple past tense. So when in simple past tense also you don't get a simple past tense. You don't find any helping verb. So for that you have to use did for all. You have to use did. All persons use did only. Here also did. In simple present tense we use it does, but here simple past tense we have to use did for helping verb. Here we don't get any helping verb. For example, people went to their village. So here what you have to do, the sentence is simple past tense. How can you find this is V2? Okay, and this is simple present tense. How can you find V1? So V1 is there. If it is singular, here you will get a V5. So the sentence will become simple present tense and this one simple past tense. So when you find V2 as verb, your verb is a V2, your verb is a V1. So now come to how to add the question tag to the given sentence. So given sentence is in simple past tense. First thing is what, after comma we have to start with helping verb. So as I mentioned, people also comes under third person plural they. The subject pronoun of people, the subject pronoun of people is they. So we have to add and did is the helping verb. The second first thing is choosing the helping verb, and the next thing is identifying the uh, adding not, and then we have to choose they. They is what, they is the subject pronoun of people. Okay, got it? So I will go with another example. I will go with another example. So here, say singer. He wrote homework. See here, what is the thing? He. Okay, sorry. I will take any other name. Ajay. I will take Ajay. Ajay wrote homework. See, what is the subject pronoun of Ajay? The subject pronoun of Ajay is he. And what is the helping verb? It is wrote is with verb too. So we have to use, it comes under simple past tense. In simple past tense, we have to use did. We have to use did. We have to use did according to the structure. And this sentence is positive. We have to add negative question tag. Just by adding not, it will become negative. And what is the subject pronoun of Ajay? He. So it will become he. Don't write subject, whatever it is there, name, some names are there. Proper nouns you never use. Okay? So this is what finding the helping verb in case of simple past tense and the earlier one simple present tense. In simple present tense and simple past tense, they don't give helping verbs in the sentence. Okay, you have learned how to identify the given sentence is negative or positive, and how to, second thing is how to choose the helping verb, and and how to change the proper noun into subject pronoun or noun into pronoun. You have to change the noun into pronoun. Got it? Like children became they, Ajay became he. So this is what identifying the sentence is whether positive or negative. Let us go with some more examples. Let us go with some more examples. There are fruits. There are fruits on the table. There are fruits on the table. So here you may get confused in finding the subject. Here finding the subject. Here see what I don't have space there. That's why I am continuing from here. So after adding comma, what am I doing? I am choosing the helping verb which is given in the sentence or, and it is positive sentence. So we have to add a negative not. You have to make it as not. And what is the subject? Here you will get there. Aren't there is the question tag. So some exceptions are there. If the subject is there, if the beginning of the sentence is there, you have to use the same word as pronoun. Okay, so this is what and one other example. If the sentence start with one uh, can keep one can keep one can one can have his one can have his responsibilities responsibilities. So here in this case also we have to use one no, we have to use can't we, can't one. So this is the, we have to use one at the end of the question tag in this case, and there also we have to use same word. So these are some exceptions are there. We'll go with some other examples. Let's go to school. Here you don't have you don't have any helping verb. So here when we have to use letter, we have to use let's go, shall we, because here is short form of letters is let's. So this is what question tags today we have discussed in depth. Thank you to listen.